Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, an amazing place for your daily life tech solutions. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can trim videos in CapCut. So most of the times you need to trim videos from different paths in CapCut or any editing software to make your videos look much more dynamic and vibrant. So for that particular case, we are going to be importing some videos onto our timeline. So most of the times, as you can see, the videos will be quite longer and the viewers might get bored watching the same video for a couple of seconds. So what you can do is simply change the video with maybe the second one or third one. So for that particular reason, we can use trimming. So simply click on your video and you can see we have this trimming tool. If you press C from your keyboard, you can see you get this razor tool, and if you do not get this, you can simply get it from this drop down. As you can see, if you click on this, you have this split tool, which also you can get from C. If you do not get this from C, you can head over to your shortcuts from the top right side of your screen, and as you can see right beside export, you have this shortcut option. Click on that, and here you can see you have the split mode and which is set to C. You can simply click on that and adjust it according to your liking. So I am currently using this on my C key. So once you're done, click on save, and now you can see when you press C on your keyboard, you get this split tool. So you can simply click anywhere on your video. So you can see if you click on your video, you get this split, and now you can move your video anywhere else. So now our video will be changed much more faster and it looks much more interesting to our users. Similarly, you can do that for second video as well. You can make as many cuts as possible, so you can move the videos around, maybe use some clips from the third video and make a really nice looking sequence. So you can see we have split our video into different sections and the videos looks really interesting. So that's how you trim video in CapCut. And I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with the friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.